Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G10 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's tap on this button, the small one above the shutter, and here we get access to more options we can manage about the camera with aspect ratio at the last one position in the settings bar. Now we are in 9:16 ratio. Let's pick 3 and 4. As you can see, the background has changed to the shorter one. Another tap here and we can go to the right on the settings bar. So this is the full one. And we can of course go back to 9:16. Also we have one extra way that is more complicated to change aspect ratio. Let's tap on the right corner button to open the advanced camera settings. In the rear camera, at the first place we have the photo size, so let's pick it. And now we have the same ratios and the short preview how they look like. And this is connected with different resolution, so we can pick the quality to each of these ratios, as you can see. And when we go back to these settings and focus on the selfie camera category, we have also the photo size, and here we can pick also the ratio, but without the quality. And that's all. This is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.